Welcome to lecture 23. Today I am going to introduce iron making numerical problems, which broadly called as material balance calculations, charge balance calculations, or blast furnace iron making calculations. All together are called to be material balance problems. Now let me take example numerical problem 1, that is a blast furnace produces hot metal is nothing but liquid state pig iron having composition of 3.5% carbon, 2% silicon, 0.75% manganese, and the composition of iron ore to produce this hot metal, the composition of iron ore is used as 80% Fe2O3 with other gang materials such as 9% SiO2 and 6% Al2O3, 1% MnO, 4% H2O or moisture, and fuel used to produce this hot metal, that is coke rate, is 740 kg per ton. This particular numerical problem is based on 1 ton production of hot metal. For 1 ton production of hot metal, for ton this much coke 750 kg was used for 1 ton of hot metal to be produced, and the composition of the coke used is 85% of carbon. It is also stated with few impurities such as 10% of SiO2, 3% of Al2O3, 2% of CaO, and to convert these particular impurities associated with the iron ore and coke to a impurity form such as slag, you need a flux reagent. The flux as limestone, which was used, limestone composition was 92% of CaCO3, and it also has impurity such as 5% of SiO2, 3% of Al2O3. This limestone at 1000 degrees Celsius decomposes, gives rise to CaCO3 into CaO and CO2. That particular CaO will react with these impurities and provocate into forming of liquid slag compounds, which has lighter weight compared to liquid state of pig iron, that is hot metal. So that is the use of limestone. Now the question asked in this problem is find out weight of iron ore used to produce 1 ton of hot metal. Here the composition of iron ore is being given, but weight of iron ore, that means physical weight in terms of kgs, just like 750 kg of coke used, you need to find out. And second thing is, many slag compounds you will see here such as SiO2, Al2O3, MnO, CaO. These slag compounds weight of the slag produces in terms of physical weight, in terms of kg, calculate. These are the two questions asked, and the assumption you need to take for this numerical problem that 5% of iron is going as a loss into the slag phase. How does the iron goes into the slag phase is FeO form, that is 5%, which is one of the assumptions. So now the assumption is clear. Now let me explain the solution. So all these iron making numerical problems are on the basis of calculations. The base was 1 ton hot metal production. It is not that 16 tons per day, 10,000 per ton per day blast furnace production, but numerical problems are used with respect to 1 ton hot metal production. You can extrapolate it to the, so whatever the production capacity of respective blast furnace which was used by the specific plant. Now let us proceed. First basic is you need to write down a material balance equation. Input left side, output right side. Now the first question is weight of the iron ore you need to calculate. That is iron input as given as a input equal to, this is equal to, please make a correction, and output you are getting as a iron in a hot metal, liquid state of pig iron, and some amount of iron is going in the slag phase, that is FeO form. This is the first equation you need to write down. Iron balance means this is a standard equation. With respect to this numerical problem, this is the iron balance equation. Iron going into the blast furnace as a input, iron ore, output hot metal, and slag, iron loss in slag. So this was given that iron ore, 80% of iron ore, Fe2O3. So 80% means 0.8 I can write down in terms of fraction, into weight of the iron ore I do not know. So I use a symbol called WO. And this particular thing is with respect to the iron. See output side, iron in hot metal. So iron percentage 93.75 in hot metal. With respect to the hot metal is 1 ton hot metal production. That's why, so physical weight is given 1000 kg. That is 93.75 into 1000 kg. You can convert this 93.75 into fraction. And 5% loss in slag with respect to the 1 ton production, that is point, that is iron balance equation, so in terms of numericals. Finally, if you just simplify this equation and this particular point, this is with respect to the 1 ton, this is with respect to the 1 ton hot metal production. So you have written, but this weight of the iron ore you do not know. So that is why you will take atomic weight. What is the iron in Fe2O3? 2 Fe atoms are there in Fe2O3. Fe2O3 atomic weight is 160 and Fe is 56. 56 into 2 is 112. 2 Fe atoms are there in Fe2O3. So that is why you have written this atomic weight. Since you do not know physical weight, just like hot metal, 1 ton hot metal produced, and slag, iron loss going in the slag in 1 ton hot metal production with respect to the 1 ton hot metal production. So that is why you have here. So here you do not have. So now you simplify, you will be getting the WO, that is 1763.39 kgs. This is in kg, 1000 kg, 1000 kg. These are the numbers. So ultimately WO is coming to the kgs, that is physical weight. And now let us calculate FeO balance. One of the slag phase, FeO. Fe plus half O2 equal to FeO. So this FeO atomic weight is 56. Fe and FeO is 72. 16 plus 56, and 56 part of iron is participating to give rise slag phase of FeO to go out. Now it is been told that iron loss in slag is 5%. 5% with respect to the 1 ton hot metal production is 0.05 into 1000 is 50. So this is been known. This Fe loss is FeO. Fe loss in slag is FeO. 50%. With respect to the 50%, how much is the FeO physical weight? So you can calculate with respect to the 50. 56 is iron is going into the FeO form is 72. If it is 50% in this, so 50 into 72 by 56. This is equal to, you will be getting 64.29 kg of FeO. This is first slag compound. Similarly, for the slag compounds also you need to do balance, material balance equation, silica balance. SiO2 input equal to SiO2 output. And how the SiO2 input is being taken? SiO2 from iron ore, So in the iron ore also included, limestone also included, in the coke also included, and silicon is coming out in the form of art metal. It is going in the art metal, it is going in the slag, SiO2 slag. Now this particular SiO2 percentage in iron ore is being given. Iron ore physical weight is 1763 and this is the SiO2 fraction which was given, and SiO2 fraction with respect to the limestone. So this is the with respect to the limestone plus 550. Limestone weight is 550 kgs. So as it is being given in the equation, that is with respect to the 550. And coming to the SiO2 from coke, that is 750 into that is 750 into 0.02. And coming to the other side, this is the other side, that is this particular one. This is 550 is limestone physical weight. You can see from the problem 550 kg of limestone is used. So that is why you are writing 550. 550 into 0.05. SiO2 in limestone is 0.05 and in coke SiO2 is 0.1 into 750. This is equal to, and equal to Si in art metal is 0.02. Since it is silicon, so you need to take atomic weight. Silicon in art metal in the total since it is with respect to the 1000 ton of pig iron production, 1000 into 60 is SiO2 atomic weight by 28 is silicon atomic weight. SiO2 atomic weight is 60. This is the other side, right side. So that is why you have taken 60 by 28. If it is left side, 112 by 160 you have taken. So you need to remember this. And SiO2 in slag you do not know. Now this numerical, if you simplify it, you will be getting weight of the SiO2 equal to 218.35 kgs. Now coming to the alumina balance, Al2O3 input, Al2O3 output. Al2O3 from iron ore plus Al2O3 from coke and Al2O3 from limestone equal to Al2O3 in slag. All these things are input and this is output. So in iron ore 1763.39 into 0.06 Al2O3 impurity is there. In coke 0.03 Al2O3 is there, 750, and in limestone into 550 into 0.03. This is weight of Al2O3. So weight of Al2O3 is equal to finally 144.8. MnO balance, MnO input and MnO output. MnO from iron ore is input, Mn in art metal, MnO in slag. MnO in iron ore 1763 is the iron ore weight and 0.01 is MnO impurity is there. And in art metal, this is MnO is 0.75 percentage with respect to the 1000 art metal production, and Mn atomic weight is 55 and MnO atomic weight is 71. Since it is right side, 71 by 55 you have written, plus weight of MnO slag. When you simplify, you will be getting the MnO 7.95 kg. And CaO input and CaO output. CaO from limestone and CaO from coke, CaO in slag. And CaO in limestone, that is 0.92, which was given in the same limestone composition into 550, but it is with respect to the CaCO3. So that is why CaO is 56 and CaCO3 atomic weight is 100. Now coming to this coke, 0.02 is CaO and weight of the coke is 750 equal to WCaO. Finally, when you simplify, weight of the CaO equal to 268.5 kgs. And finally, for the second question answer, total weight of the slag equal to, in terms of weights, weight of FeO, weight of SiO2, weight of Al2O3, weight of MnO, weight of CaO, that is equal to 703.75 kgs. With respect to the total slag, you can also calculate 703 by 64 by 703, you will be getting the weight of FeO percentage. You can also calculate those things. Thank you.